This is going to be a test bench, and I haven't got really nothing in it. It's just a bunch of scrap pieces that I had that I was wanting to build a test bench. Hey Jibo. Going to build a Jibo from scrap parts all the way up. Any other wires in here? Nope. I don't understand it. How much memories this thing got in it? Look how cool that CPU is. 22 Celsius. I ain't got no back panel for that right there. That's an older style motherboard. It had this stock cooler on here, and I took it off and I made that fit. And how I made this fit is it's ever so slightly smaller. The holes are. So what I've done is I put an adjustable bracket underneath the bottom of it, and then I angled, I put some nuts on it with the threaded nuts, and I angled them out so this thing would catch, and it caught. And it's working. I'm not quite done with it yet, but when I get done with it, I'm going to be able to stand it up. The reason why I wanted to use that RGB power supply was because it lights up, of course. Kind of gives it a little bit more of a deal. I don't know, I might mount...
Hey, look, I got you a carrot.
I might mount this radiator right here.
What's up?
Then I could stand it up on its end. I think I'll mount it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, and I still can't figure out why this power supply ain't working. We're sitting here looking at it. We're looking at the IDE connectors. Could have been just that. I think I'm going to try it again. So this is my test bench, and you see this power supply here. You can change colors like that. Which is kind of cool. All kinds of stuff. I like that one. Anyhow, and then we got these fans over here that are on this radiator, which is pumping some stuff. It's going to leave us out here running for a while. And when I get everything buttoned up, I'm going to put a bracket, a brace from here to here, kind of keep this from moving. I used a rail like this to kind of give this support right here. The same rail I used back here. Basically, this is an old case that was broke down. I've got some hard drives to hook up here. I'm going to find a place for those, or we can put those in. I got some RGB lighted memory here. Got these two brand new sticks here. I got all kinds of memory. And that's the name of that power supply. It's a dragon, red dragon. And then I've got, pretty sure that these sleeves right here probably fit. Well, actually, we can mount those sleeves any old place we want to. That was in the hard power supply. Here's a fan here we can put in there. I mean, look at that temperature, 17 degrees. Got 32 gig of RAM in it. That's DDR4. And there's our, this is something that I wasn't even using, that I'd had for a while. Wow, that thing's moving some. We'll clean this thing up real good, and I'll mount that fan assembly right there where you can see it. I just added that fan there. Leave this thing on. And put this in here. Put me a bootable media in here. See these little screws? I've got one that'll go here that actually has a bootable content on it. Relatively inexpensive boards. And I can put it right here in the far slot. And then I can put my my media in it. This is one, I think. And full length right here, you can see. We're going to let it run for a while. It's 19 degrees Celsius. The sucker's pulling some heat. Of course, this is just a, I think it's an i5 processor. Is it an i5? Oh, no, it's an i3. But this is just a test bench. So we're overkilling on the cooling. I'd already bought this, and when it messed up, I had to get another one. So instead of throwing it away, I rebuilt it, repurposed it, made it into this particular thing. And these are Cyber PC fans on a Lee-Lin radiator. That's so cool looking. Cool looking. All right. Yeah, got me another cabinet. Found it near the road. Test bench almost complete. And all I gotta do is get me some brackets for that. And we'll go from there.